case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A dispute over the ownership of a 44-acre parcel of land in Alaska found its way to the Alaska Supreme Court in 1977 in the case of Alaska National Bank vs. Linck. The plaintiff, Alaska S. Linck, claimed ownership of the land through adverse possession, stating that her family had used the land openly and continuously for over 7 years without anyone disputing it. During this time, they used the land for gardening, erected a barricade to prevent access to a nearby Boy Scout camp, and prohibited hunting on the property. They also paid the taxes on the land for many years. The defendant, Alaska National Bank, argued that Linck's activities were not enough to prove ownership of the land. However, the court granted summary judgment for Linck, and the bank appealed. Eva Taylor, who inherited the land, had left Alaska in 1946 and did not take any action with respect to the land. The court held that Linck and her family had established land ownership through adverse possession, as they used the land openly, continuously, and exclusively for over 7 years and paid taxes on it. The court found that these activities were sufficient to establish possession of the forested land in a rural area, and the bank's arguments were not enough to defeat Linck's claim. The Alaska Supreme Court ultimately affirmed the trial court's decision, allowing Linck and her family to be considered as the rightful owners of the land.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.